Then let's go into make another ring by these beads. By these beads, we can make another piece of the ring. First, cut the wire here 20 centimeter. Then cut another piece smaller here. This one short is 10, about 3.5. Yeah, not a lot, my dear Blue Moon. It's glass pro like the glass pro before, but just the different color with the matte color. Yeah, here. Then let's go make another ring. Here, we go to use the wire 0.4. Yes, this bead is very nice. Here, I'm go cut. Then let's go to wrap the piece of the wire. Here, wrap 1, 2, 1, 2. Here, let's go to wrap the ring. This one, 2, 2, and 2, and 2. The wrap, here, the wrap. So here we are making a ring. Here wrap and wrap this way, and wrap this, wrap, go tight, wrap, tight. Okay, it's here. Let's see how long that we wrap already. We now wrap 1.5 centimeter, 1.6. Okay, 1.5 and 1.6. Then here. Okay, I'm going to wrap here this way. Then let's put a bead. This bead is big. Here, wrap tight here, and wrap one more time. Let's try to go one more. So it's going to be stronger on the beads. So the wire go 2 times on the beads. Okay. Then we wrap 1, wrap 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Two, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay, my city already ring for a week, and it will be go to ring 1 more week, I think. Every day ring, ring, ring. Bad weather. You see, every day ring, ring, ring. Yeah. Ring every day. And at home is very wet. The clothes cannot be dry. Here, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to make a piece of the ring by these beads. Okay, one more time. Up. Okay, so it's done. Here. I did a market yesterday. It was nice most of the time, but the last hour we got a stock with 3. Oh. So is everything that's is your market your desk with the bigger umbrella? Thank you. Okay, then after here I'm going to try to bend it. We'll bend this one here. Is bend it like this here. We bend it this way. Then here this wire bend the bend here, and this wire we are going to see to make a loop here. I put a loop like this, and we cut away here. This one. Shaker, yes. We stay at home because it's a rain day. 3 days are heavy rain, and when it's not rain, we go to the park, go to the playground for children. Here, this. Yeah, but it's still a nice holiday. We get a good rest. And my mother go back to hometown, so I take care of the children by myself. My mom go back to hometown for go back to cook some 粽子 and some test for my father and for my brother. So she back to hometown, but I'm not go back. It's it's a little far, so I'm not go back. My mom go back here. Fold it here. It's like this. Then here, this one, the wire, I'm go fold. Okay. here. Okay, so it is like a piece of the this is the front, that one is the back here. Then let's go wrapper here, 2 and 1 here. It's 6 mm Pro, 6 mm Pro here, 6 mm beads. It's glass Pro, not the nature Pro. The color is this blue. Yeah, this is a very light blue color here. 1, 2, and the wrapper. 1, 2. Here, we wrapper, tight and tight, wrapper, here and wrapper, here, this, wrapper, tight, wrapper, tight, here, here. Yes, it's a very beautiful color. Here. It's a ring. We are making 2, 2, 2, 2. We are making a set of these beads, the light blue beads. And the wrapper. Here. Wrapper. Tight. Wrapper. Tight. Wrapper and the wrapper. Here. Tight. And the wrapper. Tight. Okay. Then let's go bend the shape of this ring. Here. Cut away. It's going to use the ring by our copper wire. We are not a shop that sell the ready-made. We are a shop that sell the copper wire. Here. This one. Here. Fold. And so when I cut one short, one longer, we are going to fold it a piece like this. Here, this way. Then the last will go bend here. Bend it this way. Okay. Okay, so this one, the ring we finish. It's a ring that's by these beads and make a wrapper. So the first one is very simple. The second one is just wrap it. Okay, so the back is here, and the front is here. So this is